everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today my topic is Spring security. So in this video I am going to discuss how Spring security work inside the Spring Boot application. So mm, suppose we have a Spring Boot application. In that application we have configured the Spring security dependency. Let's see. First request coming from the UI, so then it will before it will hit to the servlet context, so it will filter out in here. So because we have already implemented the Spring security, then Spring security filters has bunch of Spring filters. Based on that filters we have implement the JW security filter to validate our request. So here is here this JW security filter is what 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 does this guy doing here. So whenever the request come to the application, here this guy inspect and check inspect the request and check whether if it is has the security token or not. So if it is not doesn't have the security token, so then it will immediately send back the response to the UI side. This request is invalid. So let's say if it is has the security key, then it will redirect to the authentication manager. Then our authentication manager we implement based on the username password authentication token. So then this authentication manager, it has multiple providers. So first we discuss today I am going to discuss the DAO authentication provider. So actually DAO authentication provider we use to authenticate the username password. So this two user detail service and password encoder component help to DAO authentication provider to validate the user credentials. So here user detail service basically loading the user detail from the database, and password encoder help to validate encode the password. So then once the request is coming to the authentication provider, and based on the authentication authentication provider, so validate the token. So let's say if token validation, let's say if the credential is invalid, then this guy send back the response. This user credentials are unauthorized. This user credential is invalid, so it means this guys send back the response to the UI side. This request is unauthorized. Let's say if it is the request is valid, then it will allow to pass to the filters, and that request and based on that request it will allow to do the necessary action inside the application. So once the credential is valid, so that's how this Spring Boot security work inside the application. Yeah, that's it. Hope you are getting this flow. So if you have any doubts, so please comment it here, and I will try to reply all the comments. Thanks.